This is a quick Branco showcase video of the Black Tasty. This knife is perfect for skinning or regular camping use. It features a 3.5mm thick D2 tool steel blade. It's got black C-Tek material on the front faux bolster, dovetailed with green liners into a black G10 handle. Why not check out my website for the most comprehensive information, and if you would like to either order a custom knife for yourself or as a gift for someone, please check out my website www.brancocustoms.com. Thank you. Tasty!